Chapter 1. Delhi, our capital city. Delhi is the capital of India. It is known as the National Capital Territory. It has two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. The NCT is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh in the east and by Haryana in the north, west, and south. Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. History. The city of Delhi is more than 1,000 years old. It has served as the capital of many powerful empires. It is believed that it was first built by Pandava kings. Pandavas built Indraprastha on this site. Later on, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan rebuilt the city and called it Shahjahanabad. In 1911, the Britishers shifted their capital city from Kolkata to Delhi. The Britishers built a new city near Old Delhi and named it New Delhi. It was planned by Edward Lutyens. Now New Delhi has all the buildings of the Government of India and now it is considered as the capital city for the whole country. Climate. Delhi has an extreme type of climate. It is very hot in summer and cold in winter. Hot and dry wind called Lu blows here during the months of May and June. It rains during the monsoon months of July, August, and September. The winter months are December and January. Government of India and Delhi. All the main offices of the Government of India are located in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, other ministers, and all senior officers live in New Delhi. The President of our country lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has the beautiful Mughal garden. There are two blocks of Central Secretariat near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. These are the North and South blocks. The Prime Minister office is in the South block. Other ministers also have their offices in these two blocks. The Parliament House is near the North block. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha sessions are held in the Parliament House. Almost all the countries of the world have their offices in Delhi. These are called embassies of high commissions. Most of them are in the Chanakyapuri area. Tourist attractions. Delhi is the ancient city. People from all over the world come to visit this place. The Red Fort and the Jama Masjid are made of red sandstone. They were built by the great Emperor Shah Jahan. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag on the Red Fort. Other places worth visiting in Old Delhi and New Delhi are Rajghat, Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, Qutub Minar, India Gate, War Memorial, Jantar Mandir, Nehru Planetarium, Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple, Humayun's Tomb, Birla Mandir, National Museum, Doll Museum, Bangla Sahib, Lodi Garden, Rail Museum, etc. There are many big and small shopping centers in Delhi. The main markets are in Chandni Chowk, Ajmal Khan Road, Connaught Place, Janpath, Central Market, Sarojini Nagar, and Khan Market. They have wholesale and retail trading. The Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate burns all the time in memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our country. Here you can visit newly built tourist attraction War Memorial too. Delhi has a large number of stadiums for sports. Delhi has broad smooth roads, world-class hotels, flyovers, newly built shopping malls and amusement centers for children. Life of people. People from all the states of India live and work in Delhi. Thus, all the festivals of India are celebrated in Delhi. It is called Mini India. Hindi, Punjabi, and English are the main languages spoken here. Most of the people now wear Western dresses. World class metro rail systems of Delhi interconnects the various parts of the city. It has made traveling within the city comfortable, affordable, and quick. Delhi is also well connected with other parts of the country by roads, railways, and airways,